Hey there, welcome to another Satisfyhost user guide video. I'm Tasnim Ahmed and today I'll be showing you how to set up SMTP in WordPress using a cPanel webmail account. Proper SMTP configuration ensures your WordPress site can send emails reliably, and be it for contact forms, notifications, or newsletters. So let's dive in the video and get everything set up smoothly. At first, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. So here I've already logged in and I'm going to dashboard and then navigate to plugins and add new plugins. Okay, search here for SMTP and you will get some plugins which is related with SMTP. So we will use this WP mail SMTP by WP forms. We'll use it. So installing, wait for some times, it's being installed and it's installed, then click on active to active this plugin. And now you will get this kinds of interface. From here, click on go back to dashboard. Now you will get some features of this plugin. Look here, and from here we will use this interface to set up our SMTP. So we should add here form email. So I want to use here form email as hello@satisfyhost.uk. Force form email, it will be on. And now here I want to use the name Satisfyhost notice. Okay, click on this, enable this, and no need to enable this return path. And from here mailer, we will use other SMTP to use our cPanel webmail SMTP. So here we should put some credentials, and to create the credentials, now go back and log into a cPanel. Here I have already logged in, and now go to email accounts. From here create, and now create your mail and copy your password, and it's done. Okay, so what will be go here? SMTP host. So SMTP host will be the cPanel host name. This on you can use. Okay, I want to use that TLS. So the SMTP port 587 automatically take the system and enable this authentication. And now SMTP username is the email account name. Okay, and the password here. And now save changes. Okay, settings were successfully saved. So here our setup, and now we can send a test mail to check is it perfectly works or not. So to test, go to tools and here email test, and I want to send the test mail to this mail, and paste here your desired mail and just hit on test mail. So you will get the details, and if showing this, then set up the SMTP details, I mean the DNS, domain DNS, Look here, the domain DNS needs setup SPF and DMARC. So where you will get this, search for DNS and get generator. From the generator, go to manage, and from here you will get the txt, and txt is add this and this on and this on. Everything you should add on your domain. But if you use the hosting name server on your domain, then you don't need to point this, automatically add it with your domain. So we can check here the test mail arrived or not. This mail not arrived here cause I have not added, and it's arrived in the spam. Look here. So if you added the records on your domain DNS or use the hosting name server on your domain, so it will land it and here. So that's it for today, and your WordPress site is now successfully configured with SMTP using your cPanel webmail account. I hope this guide made the process simple and straightforward for you. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to us. And thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more of our tutorials for helpful tips and tricks. Until next time, happy hosting with Satisfyhost.